Okay, so for the following, we have to calculate the gain IOW over IW and its poles and zeros. So first, we have a current passing through here. I'm gonna do a nodal analysis. So let's call this V. Let's have a current of I1 passing through here, and let's get the impedance values of these. So this is gonna be JW2, and this one it's gonna be 1 over JW 1 over 2. And and that's the same thing as 2 over JW. So let me get the node equation. So I of t is entering, and this will be equal to I1 plus IOT. I1 is going to be equal to V over all the impedance values plus IOT, which is V over 2 over JW, and IOT is literally just equal to V over 2 over JW. So IOT over II of t is going to be V over 2 over JW. I'll put this in brackets to make things less confusing. All over V over 4 plus JW2 plus V over 2 over JW. Let's take out a V from all of this. So this and this cancels out. So this will be equal to 1 over 2 over JW all over 1 over 4 plus JW2 plus 1 over 2 over JW. Now, I could times the top and bottom by JW, and this cancels out, and same goes for here. So this will be JW over 2 all over 1 over 4 plus JW2 plus JW over 2. Okay, and I'm going to do next is times the top and bottom by JW2. Sorry, 4 plus JW2. And this gives me and remember J times J is minus 1, so minus W squared times 2 all over 2 J 4 plus JW2. We can factor a 2 from all of this, and this cancels out. And since we have two common denominators, we can just combine all of this. Now the next thing I'm going to do is times the top and bottom by 4 plus JW2, which causes this and this to cancel out. So now we have JW over 2 times 4 plus JW2 all over 1 plus J2W minus W squared. And notice how this is almost a quadratic, but the problem is we don't have a J here, so that's preventing us from factorizing this. But what we know is the following. The following is actually true. So minus W squared is equal to plus JW squared, because this is the same thing as J squared times W squared, so minus W squared. So we are just going to replace this with the following. Okay, and now we can just factorize this. I'll draw in that instead. Okay. Alright. So there'll be a 1 and a 1 here. and there'll be a JW here and a JW here. Okay, so pretty much now we're gonna let S to be equal to JW. Okay, so we're gonna have the following: S over 2 times 4 plus 2S all over 1 plus S times 1 plus S. So our our zeros are going to be pretty much when this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So when S is equal to 0, then obviously this whole thing is going to be equal to 0. And when S is equal to minus 2, this is going to be 0, so our whole thing is going to be 0. So that part's done. So these are our zeros. Now our poles is when this is going to be undefined. So when we see S is equal to minus 1, then it's undefined. So this is our poles. And since we have two of these, we have double poles.